Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing. I hope you guys are enjoying my unboxings. I try to do them every once in a while just to show you guys some of the new makeup I've gotten, and I hope you guys are still enjoying the quality of the new videos. Definitely let me know if there's anything that I should change or lighting differences or settings that I should do. But for today's video, like I said, we're going to be doing an unboxing. So I'm just going to show you some new makeup that I've gotten. And if anything catches your eye, definitely let me know and I can try it out first. So I guess we'll start off with something really fun. This is Miracle Water, but it's in like a little confetti thing. Thought this was super cute. Basically it's a miracle water from It Cosmetics, but basically you'd bust this and it would be like a confetti popper, so I'm definitely going to do that in like a vlog or something, so definitely be watching for that. I've not tried anything from Juvias Place, but I got a palette, so I'm really excited to try it out. It's the Nebion 2 palette, so I'm really excited to try this out. Next I have this City Color Collection Out of This World airbrush powder. I've also not tried anything from J-Cat and I'm really excited. This is the J-Cat Beauty Hollywood palette. It's a 24 eyeshadow palette. So these are the colors on the back. So I'm really excited to try this out. Next I have a Beautyblender Power Pocket Puff, dual-sided puff. So one side is for like powders and the other side I think is for like liquid kind of things. So really excited to try this out. It should be fun. Next, I have the True Beauty Gold Infused Beauty Blenders, or Beauty Sponges. Yeah, so these apparently have gold in them. So I don't know if that'll help with the makeup application, but we'll see. I also got this Global Beauty Care Starburst Glitter Mask. Yes, glitter mask, like the mask actually has glitter in it. So excited. Next I have this e.l.f. Makeup Lock and Seal. So basically I think you like squirt this into this little container and squirt whatever product you want in there, or like put some eyeshadow in there or something, and then use the little brush and apply it, and it's supposed to make it stay on. So increase the intensity of your makeup colors and lock it instantly. Coat your eyeliner, eyeshadow, lipstick, brush, brow color, and more for sealed smudge-proof wear. So I'm really excited about these two. So these are both from Wet n Wild. I have the mini liquid catsuit liquid eyeshadow set, and I also got the Wet n Wild mini liquid catsuit lip set. Now I'm going to show you some minis that I got. I got this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Luminous Light. I'm really excited to try this out. I guess you can like set your face with it and it's like shiny, but it's not like makes you look like you have a natural glow. So I'm really excited to try that. I also got this mini Benefit Gimme Brow. So I also got another mini gel. So I thought what would pair good with that is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. I thought that I would use the pencil and then use the gel to tame my hairs on my eyebrows. I also got this Sephora Collection glitter. It's body gel. And then when I bought this, it came with a pack of 2, but these are actually foundations. This is the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation Mini. So I kind of just want to make a cute little short video of an unboxing. Definitely let me know if you guys like these. Like I said, if you see something that looks really exciting that you guys want me to try first, definitely let me know. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below and check the description box for more information about the video. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are @GlamGirlGray. See you next time.